ka Convocation la ni ka jingpun kuburam yaki samla kredap ka jingpuli jangka Indian Institute of Management Shillong ka long haka arpo tarik uyayong arjar arpo ar kay gawa plam ta ka snam halo ka ni ka Convocation ka long La Pynlong haka jaka ka bane ani ka permanent campus jangka institute ka wadon hapo sauli ni Shillong haka jaka ka bahe adu sispa arpo akar kani ka sen ka banengkong baka Iim Shillong la trikam haka tika jaka lengba ka ni ka Convocation Dr. David Shetty, beliau yang khosnam Padma Bhushan, ulang chairman unong seng jangka Nairana Health, ulang khongsan, ay ka jengkran syakisam la puli kala pendap, ya ka jengpuli mentakasnam Iim Shillong. Mentakasnam gadan hadu aspa anda pendangot kisam la kala pendap, ya ka jengpuli jengki, hakilan ki bape na kani ka institute bapaunam jongkari India.
The world in which or the world which was when you joined the Iim Shillong and the world how it is now when you are graduating are dramatically different. World has turned upside down due to COVID. 100 years from now, if a historian is going to write the history of the world, there will be two distinct periods. One is BC, that is before COVID, and the second one is AC, that is after COVID. These two worlds are dramatically different, and welcome to the new world, what we call as post-COVID world. Mark Andreessen, the founder of Netscape, which disrupted internet, made a prediction that software is going to eat the world. He predicted long ago that every industry in the end is going to be a software industry. There will not be an exception. And this is what we are observing now. What would have taken another 10 or 20 years for the disruption? COVID made the disruption in less than few days. We as doctors were dreaming of online healthcare to see our patients online in our mobile phone. But repeated attempts of us didn't succeed until COVID came. In less than few weeks, online consultation became a reality. It was accepted legally by the medical council, and today we have the privilege of seeing patients in any part of the country online, real time, and give them the advice. It is a different experience altogether. As young, enthusiastic graduates, when you come out of your institution, it doesn't matter which industry you want to embrace, whether it is hospitality industry, whether it's a manufacturing, or whether it is space technology, whatever you want to do, build it around the digital tools. Because that is going to make it scalable, efficient, affordable, and accessible.